we are back. Pretty on time today. What do we got going on? What do we got going on? Oh shit. Merc, yo, this looks pretty good. 15-minute already triggered right off the gate. Right out the gates. 5-minute too, kinda. This is pretty nice. I mean, hella room to move, hella room to move, hella room to move, hella room to move. This bar is a bit too massive for my liking. I would have wanted to enter when it cleared this, but this thing's already double in size. Ooh, but the daily though is not too good. It's in a downtrend right into this overhead 20. But this just what price is telling me, you know, this shit looks bullish as hell. Yeah, I mean, this is negative position, not bad. Apple, AMD, yo, that looks good on the 15 though, low key. Cause this has room to move. This has room to move too, off this flat 200, off this 20, and off this 20. Price is trading below the 1 hour 20. I need me a color change to enter on. AMD daily is bullish though. The trend's reversed. Oh shit. There's the hidden. Let's go 2 lots there. Bit of a late entry, but go 2 lots to test the waters real quick on the hidden color change. We're out at 42. Top of this bar. Could have put 3 lots on that. It's a 41, 42. My stop is at 42. With the average price at 10, so that's only 32 cents. Yeah, that could have been a 3-lotter. Nice follow through. Hopefully it closes that way. Yeah, it's really nice. The look of this thing on the 5-minute is just magnificent, to be honest. On the 15, it's basically cleared that tail. Yeah. This should have been easily, right now is like a 1.5 hour trade already, because I'm only risking like 60, 70 bucks. I will look to take some profits into the whole number, 107. But yeah, this is nice. See what happens. Come on, hit that, hit that, hit that whole number, hit that whole number. Come on, hit that whole number. Hit that whole number, boy. Nice. This is getting far away. I'm not going to give up my profits on this last lot. It's way too much to let it pull back. I'm going to go big bar. Might have to go bar by bar here, to be honest. Just look at that tail bar. And then I'll look to enter again on the pullback. Kind of missing a lot here, but that's okay. 107.19 out bar by bar. I probably should have taken that last lot out manually right here, because but hitting color change here, right? Stop here, 1 push, 2 push. These are pretty big pushes too, like you could probably split it up, but 1 push, 2 push, 3 push. Yeah, probably could have taken that one off manually. Wait for this 20 to catch up and find an entry there. It's too far right now. You know, if I had 3 lots here, as I should have, probably take one off at 107. I could take 1, 2, you know, 3 push, take one off at kind of the bottom, then leave one to trail at break even, but didn't have 3 on, so had to make a choice. This is kind of far away. I mean, I don't really want to add here. I'd like an add, you know, when it pulls back. It might trigger again here though, but it's gonna have to go without me. It's a bit too far for my liking. But let's see if that's off the 8 or something. Yeah, it's not even off the 8 yet. It's I gotta be patient. Can't have a FOMO, you know, because majority of the time, if I add here away from this 20, I'd probably get fucked, you know. But maybe this one time it's gonna go. I mean, just to look at that tail is wouldn't want to be in it. Disney, big ass bar up. But time frames are all conflicted. This one has room to move down. This one's right into the 20. This one has room to move. Yo, this one is. Remember how we recognized that nice tight ass Fab 4? Yeah, you got a nice bullish gap, right? Not too wide yet. If it gapped up to here, that would be wide as hell, but fill in the gap, right? And like shit. Put in this bar, you enter on confirmation. The rest is history, bro. 2 lots, or what is it? Maybe 2 lots. 1, 2. And yeah, now it's chilling around profit taking territory. Maybe you could try to extend it to 153 here. This shit's bullish as hell. I don't know if it's gonna even pull back to the MA, but nice look to that. Merc, right? Nice. Guess it's getting its pullback in right now. Could potentially hold at this prior resistance in the 20. S-Books has a decent look. Not as good as the others because overhead 5-minute 200 and 15-minute 200. The other ones just look better because they're clear to go. This one bullish. I think this one may have been the 8 right here. Triggering off the 8 for a short. Maybe. Yeah, kind of. Probably looks cleaner on the 3. Yeah, looks way cleaner on the 3. Triggered though. UL looks good as well. This has room to drop, room to drop, room to drop. Pulled back. Definitely has a bearish look. If it could print price below this, 20 starts declining, catches up. Can maybe look for a short. AMD, is this really gonna go off the 8? You got a tail bar here that doesn't want to go. Do you have a tail bar takeout? Kind of want to trade it off to 20. Still too far away from my liking. You know, I like to add near the MAs. I mean, this one is near the 8, but you know, I like it near the 20. Might trigger them. Y'all, I decided I'm gonna just call it a day. There was like a sudden spike here. I think it was news. Could have been like a 4-hour trade, I think, from what I answered at. Decent. But I'm gonna call it a day. So, you know, just end the week solid. Last week we had about a $220 trade or a $220 week. Not bad. This week, $398 week. It's not bad. It's not bad, you know. But I think this might go down though. Still, it's still bearish. I guess the entry was here. Still had a bit of distance away from the 20, but I guess entered here, could have entered there, I guess. On the 5, it never triggered until this one. Stop is over the top. Yeah, getting decent follow through, but there was a spike at 7 because of news for some reason. This shit right here. Saw it come down. It didn't close a big bar though. It tailed out. It wicked out, and it did that. You know, we'll see if this color changes right up on the 20, then maybe another entry. But now, I probably will be done for the day. I don't want to have a boom or break even trade at the end of the day today. Just call it a day. UL. Shit is kind of ranging. Not really trending, but it is trading below MAs. Square. Got that wedge forming with the 20 coming down. 200 over here though. S-Books did look bullish, but this 200 here, this 200 as well. Merc, pretty sloppy. JPM, yo, that shit was crazy. Got a nice opening bar, confirmed, and just followed through without an issue. That shit would have paid easily. Your entries at 49.46. Here's 50.46, 51.46, 52.46. So that's like $3 fucking, right? Jeez. Disney, not really trending. CVX. This looks way better on the 3. Look right here. Boom. A bar like this honestly should bust straight through. It looks like violence, but you get this narrow range bar after. Or it looks narrow compared to this one, but you know. This is the morning star pattern. Enter over here, boom, right off that rising 20, right above that support. I already got 1-to-1. You don't have new highs yet, but yeah, decent look on that. Baba could trade higher, but a lot of resistance on the higher time frame. And Apple, who knows? The other clean trend is AMD. I guess it broke out here. Has a nice little trend line right here. Connect the dots, right? Play connect the dots. You got it looking like this. And it broke out right around there. That whole number 107. Which on the 5-minute does trigger. Right here. Yeah, that triggered basically at the whole number 107. Your stop is at 67. Maybe you could have gone with the alternate stop on this one at 50. If you went with that one, that's a 2-lotter with the 50-cent stop. And 107, this thing is at 106.50 right now. That's 1-to-1. Would have been up another $100 right there. And it low-key put in a new low already. This is a wick. This one closed below. This one is going further. Next zone I could see this dropping to 106 whole number with a nice exhausting bar right now. Or into this 15-minute 200. It's definitely too late to enter now. That'd just be chasing. We'll just watch it, I guess. See if we get a bounce off the whole number of this. It did well out though. Kinda sloppy, but it did well out. See on the 3-minute what happened. Is that off the 8? Pretty sloppy, but yeah. Never actually broke the 8. And then it triggered on this one. Yeah, 107.01, yeah. Your stop could have been at 107.50. That's a 50-cent stop. Would have worked out for sure. 2 lots. Already got the new low. 1-to-1. Move your stop to break even. This little guy right here. You know, it was smoothly declining. Now it's kind of flattening out. Might have a cleaner look on the 3, but it might be triggering right now. This time it's a pretty clean pullback. This one wasn't too clean. This one is clean though because look at the lows. They don't get taken out until the very top. I think it just got taken out. How big of a bar is that? 15 plus 13? No! 28 cents. Shoot! Shoot. I'm taking too long to do the calculations, bro. 15 plus 13. Well, fuck, I missed it. That shit already triggered. Good follow through. Bro, 15 cents to the whole number plus 13 on top of that. 28 cents. That's like a 3-lotter right there. 3-lotter that got already 1-to-1, I would say, almost. And if this bar closes nice and strong, that's valid. Off of this 5-minute declining A2, has room to move down $1 to this 15-minute 200, and a lot of room on the 1 hour. Nice little tail on the 2-minute. Yo, this shit wicking hard now. The fuck? It's wicking mad hard. If it takes out 13, then that's a stop out. See what happens on the next bar. If it takes out 13 over the high, that would have been a stop out. Let's see if it fills up though. I mean, shit, I got new information now. I got information that it pushed down and it's wicking hard. So do I really want to enter here? Now? That it just wicked hard? Maybe not. Still bearish. Still very bearish though. Look at this declining 20. I mean, it didn't stop out yet. Oh, shoot. We got a tail bar. This one we could try, maybe. It did trigger, but now it's really right on it. It's a 40-cent bar. See if it triggers. If it triggers, we could try it. If it doesn't, then we're not going to try it. Triggers at 70 with a stop at 11. 40-cent bar. Yeah, we could try it. 70. Price print 70, we're going 2 lots. Frick, man, it's the last 15 minutes before I have to go again. I hate doing this where I have to go boom or break even. So hopefully it's enough time. Yeah, this triggers at 72 lots. Hey, get out, bro. Get out, bro. This fucking freak, bro. This guy's shorting Disney. That shit's failing. 70. Let's see if this prints 70. This also struggled to break 12 here. Two lots at 70. It either triggers or it breaks to 20 right now. Let's see. Two lots at 70. Alright, let's just try it. It triggered. 71, it's got 70. And this is the last trade of the day. With the stop at 107.11. GG's. I got in at the worst possible price and we get stopped out at 11. GG's. High is 107.10. My stop is right over the event. Bro, it literally triggered by a cent. Now it's not following through. Oh, this thing's for real getting absolutely no follow through up in here. That's pretty unlucky. Absolutely no follow through. Yeah, I gotta wait for this to get taken out before I could even move my stop to break even. I think I'll probably take an L on this one. So 41-cent stop. See if I get lucky here. Hold that whole number, boy, and drop. Be back to update, y'all. Looks like it's gonna stop out. Gang, you just stopped me out, man. Look, literally this 106.71, it gave me the cent, 1 cent below. And that's literally the lows it got, and it failed. So, GG. I had to control that. $80, $81 loss, I think. And we're gonna call it a day for real now. Cause we ain't going boom or break even on a Friday. Anything happening here? Anything? CVX looks like the long's going. Disney is going up. Alright, thank you guys. See you next week or tomorrow for the journaling session. Thank you.